Okay, are you ready for an experiment? I'm gonna try this, and I've never done it before, but I think it's a really good idea, and especially if you're in a situation like I am. One of my favorite lipsticks has become a mess. I've melted it, it keeps falling out of the tube, it's frustrating me, plus you guys know how much I love everything in my one compact makeup, so I'm just gonna heat it up on the skillet and see how it goes. Okay, so I've scraped as much as I can out of this, and I've melted it in this tin, and it fills up the tin nicely, other than a little bit of an oopsie there. So stay tuned. I'm going to compare it to some other lip and cheeks that I have. This is the lipstick that I just melted in the tin. It will now fit in my compact. And I wanted to kind of compare it with some of the other tins. These are the two colors that I found it to be most similar to. This is the new shade called Ibiza, and this is Nude. And these are all the pinks. So, what do you think? There they are swatched.